Hey, this is Zachary with South Star Home Inspections. I wanted to show you guys something today. This is what can happen if you don't take care of and maintain locations that can have moisture intrusion. So here we have a prefab chimney, and here we have a location that the rainwater runs down the roof to this location, and if it's not flashed properly, if it's not maintained, this is what you get. It's pretty soggy right here. This wood is pretty soggy. And then as we look closer here, we've got some major locations here where they caulked and sealed. Same here. And then down below here, you've got some more damage. So let me go down in the garage and show you what's below this. So this is the location in the attic where there you can see the chimney flue. So let me take you down below even further into the garage area and show you what's going on. So here is below the location we were at in the attic, and you can see that we've even got some extensive damage here in the garage wall. Not a good thing, being that we're this close to the service electrical panel. This has been going on for a while. Let me take you around the other side right here. Okay, so here's the prefab chimney. There was the location at the beginning of the video. Came down, and it's done quite a bit of extensive damage here to the siding as well. So this will definitely be going into the roofing / siding section of the report. My name is Zachary with South Star Home Inspections. If you have any home inspection questions, please give me a call, 334-384-1344.